Complex permanent tissue. Complex tissues are made of more than one type of cells. All these cells coordinate to perform a common function. Xylem and phloem are the examples of complex permanent tissue. Xylem and phloem are conducting tissues and constitute a vascular bundle. These conduction tissues are responsible for the conduction of various substances in the plant, including water and dissolved mineral. Let us discuss more about xylem and phloem. Xylem. Xylem consists of xylem parenchyma, xylem fibers, vessels and tracheids. Except xylem parenchyma, all other elements are dead cells and have thick lignified walls. The parenchyma stores food and helps in the sideways conduction of water. These dead cells are arranged one on the top of the other, forming a continuous tube. Tracheids are vessel and tubular in structure. They allow to transport water and minerals vertically through them. Xylem fibers are mainly supportive in function. Phloem. Phloem is a tissue responsible for the transport of prepared food materials from leaf to the place where it is used or stored. Phloem is made up of 4 types of elements. These are sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem fibers and phloem parenchyma. Except phloem fibers, phloem cells are living cells. Sieve tubes are elongated tubular cells with pores at each end in the cross wall that permit longitudinal flow of materials through them. Companion cells are found next to the sieve tube cells and help in delivery of substances to them. Phloem fibers provide mechanical support to the phloem tissue.